To install a new updates to your website, this is a very simple way. Just log into your website as an admin, and then from settings click on updates. Now on this page you will see all the new available updates. As you can, in green, this has been already installed, and you just need to click one by one to install all these available updates. Just click on the update and then confirm, and make sure you have copied all your website, like you have taken a backup to the complete website before installing the update, because once the update has been installed, it will comes a lot of customizations and core files updates. So if you have any modifications in your files, that may be replaced, so you maybe have to reinstall it again, so that will be very complicated for you. So it's better, before proceeding to installing a new update, take a backup of your entire website and then install the update. Also, you can see the versioning in the updates, like how many files has been changed. Like you can see in this update, this file has been changed, it has been modified, so just one file has been updated. So before making installation of any update, you can simply just click on view updates, and you can see the number of files, which files has been updated and what this file contains. For example, in this update you can see there are some new files has been added. So now we just click on the update and then confirm the agreement, and then once you see this update has been installed, it will automatically refresh the page. You can see now the home page update has been completed. Now we will proceed to the next update. So like this, we used to send every few days a new updates, and you can keep installing these updates to the system so that you can stay the platform with the latest version. I hope it was fine and easy for you to understand. If you need any support, please just submit a support ticket, and we will be always happy to help you further. Thank you.